In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new property in a Google Analytics account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and how to get back to your dashboard with a brand new property ready to go. First, open your Google Analytics account. Head to analytics.google.com and sign in with the Google account that has access to the Analytics account you want to use. If you're part of an organization, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need at least editor or administrator access to create a property. Once you're in, look for the admin area. You'll find it by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left of the screen. This is your control center for accounts, properties, and settings. Don't worry, nothing changes until you confirm. Inside admin, click Create. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button labeled Create or Create Property near the top of the property column. If you don't see it, double-check that you've selected the correct account in the left column and that you have the necessary permissions. Next, select Property. Analytics may present a small menu asking what you want to create. Choose Property to start setting up a new one under the current account. A property is where your data will live for a specific website, app, or environment. Now enter your property name. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, your brand name plus the platform and environment, like brand website production. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information in the name. If you see options for reporting time zone and currency, pick the ones that match your business location and reporting needs. These help ensure your reports line up with your working hours and financial context. You'll also see business details and business objectives. These sections help Google tailor recommendations and reports. If you're not sure what to choose or you prefer to keep things simple, you can skip this part. Skipping won't prevent your property from working. It just means you'll get fewer personalized suggestions. When you're satisfied, click Create. Analytics will set up your new property immediately. If any confirmation dialogues appear, review them and proceed. Finally, click Continue to Home. This takes you back to your Analytics home screen, where your new property is now available in the Property selector. From here, you can proceed with any additional setup you need later, but your property is officially created and ready to use.